Nate here from Dude Lord 55 here, and today we play more Battle Cats. And I just evolved my fish cat, and he is now a whale cat who does a lot of damage the last time. So yeah, we're about to test him out. The lizard cat, tiny cat, are the only next ones. So we finished the first part of the game last time, so I'm going to defeat the second part. But before that, we're going to do the dojo. So the hall intentates. Use as many free speed ups and cat CPs as you like finding in the Cat Claw Dojo. So everything is so funny. You don't get any money in this house. So when you kill an enemy, it doesn't give you any money. It gives you points. Because you see, I'm killing these. They give me 100 points. So I was thinking the Cat Claw Dojo would be a good idea to test it out. Because there were a lot of crazy stuff in here. I just want to show you. Because it can be crazy. You can also use a cat cannon too. See, there's crazy music to the back. You have an amount of time to do it. Yeah, you can just put anything in the Cat Claw Dojo. So yeah, the elephant took me a while because I actually couldn't kill it. Yeah. But that is the Cat Claw Dojo. There's always more. Emperor of Darkness chapter. One mission is it completed. I played the dojo once. Let's just do this. Because we get XP. Okay, never mind. For wasting all that time, I'm so stupid. Sorry, guys. So yeah, the Emperor of Darkness, let's try it out. Now, the Emperor of Darkness. It's gonna be the same for everything. Stuff can change. It's the same thing, but the cat's money is higher. So then I would suggest you guys to make sure to get to level 3 to upgrade yourself, and then start putting out your enemies. Because everybody could be pretty fast. Then have to put out like 3 to 5 cats. Wait out to get another upgrade. And that level will be good to go. You could. Yeah. That's Korea. I think I can meet you. I think it's the same. And on to the next level. Spread Mongolia. But everything gets different every now and then. Well, actually, no, it doesn't actually, you guys. This is just number 2. I want to do another version of it to this. That's all it is, you guys. Yeah. So into the future is so we may be looking for, because this is the one that has the new kind of stuff. So let's go to Japan. And also you have scores down different worlds. This is scores. So let's start. Okay, this is new. You want it underwater for.
We're gonna make the Pokemon. Okay, that's for you.
So guys, see look, everything is different now and then. See look, this I'm underwater. But hey, all these levels are not underwater. They're different base stuff that we have not seen in our lives. Battle Cat's history. And I have not seen either. Well, what the second world is actually just the same thing, but a little bit different. New enemies and stuff, and a new boss at the end. Well, we might have to play that soon. But it's going to show you into the future, then we'll start off playing that. Look at see, look, this is new. This is a new guy. He's not old. He's not new. He's not really brand new. He's really, really new. He's a blue thing. It's even powerful than the regular Doges. He's an alien. Yeah, an alien. I know what you're thinking. Alien. How? That's hard to believe. But it's an alien because I checked on the wiki. I checked on it when I first unlocked this guy off camera when I played this level. Then you have a score, which is up here. This is the same thing for me because it takes that much time for me to kill. So I haven't done Korea yet, so let's go to Korea. So Korea is where 2 hippos are. I played this one and it's really hard. But like I said, upgrade once. This is a strategy for only wildcats. Not for anything else. Just wildcats. Especially because of how good wildcats are. I think that's tomatoes. Yeah, that's a lot. Wall, tomato. Make sure it's a wall of wildcats. No. Unless it wouldn't make sense. If it was a wall. So look at, there's the hippo. So now we have to go and fight it. And it's not that bad because I love him. You know what I do, guys? First levels, we got this now. You see, like we're playing child's play mode. So we're playing child's play mode. Really like that, you guys. Trust me. Once you figure it out, once you find that, it's gonna be easy. You're just gonna know. There are only 2 hippos clear on this base in 2 minutes. And I lied. 1 second. One of them's dead. So I told you it was easy. Believe in yourself, you guys. Believe how good you could be in these kind of levels. It can be hard. I understand. It is. I really understand, you guys. It can be hard. But hey, if you practice it, it's going to be perfect. This is my first time I failed. The hippos, I couldn't do it. The 2 hippos were ramming into my stuff. But there. Look, if you read the terms and do stuff, guys, I think you could probably do it. Wow, okay, there's another friend hippo. We just need to take it out. That's all we have to do here. That's our job. Take your enemies. Take them to the trash. Take them where they possibly can live, you guys. Take them to your grandma's house or something. Take them to a swamp. Take them to the garden and probably savage your to tears. They would cry and cry. That's what people wanted. You see, look, now I'm next to the blue guy again. Look with the hippo. That's a good combo. 2 hippos. Okay, that is a super combo. So he probably knew what he was doing. I have completed this level before. When I was off camera, because I got to the blue hippo and the stickers are going blue. There's 1 hippo down. So, I told you I got this. If I didn't got this, then I would have been in trouble. I would have not saved the world. I would have unsaved the world. And then we couldn't play any more Battle Cats. Because the whole world would be destroyed by just the enemy, the battle enemies, instead, without cats. We couldn't play it. That would kind of suck. So let's kill this base once and for all. Hey guys, that was a new record. So guys, I will see you in the next video. So, as thanks, thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe if you like Battle Cats, and bye!